Now, some things you should know before taking this course are HTML, CSS, and a basic understanding of JavaScript. You can learn these technologies in our Fundamentals of Web Development course. You may be asking yourself, what the heck is XAMPP? XAMPP is a free and open source cross-platform web server developed by Apache friends. It consists mainly of Apache HTTP server, Maria database or MySQL database, and interpreters for scripts written in the PHP and Perl programming languages. How Apache Web Server works. Now, usually you have a client that sends a request through a web browser via an HTTP protocol. This request goes to our web server where our script lives. This script may require information from an external service or API or maybe a database. Once this request is fulfilled, the response is then sent back to the server and through the web browser for the client. Also in this course, we'll be using Visual Studio Code. It's also an open source editor developed by Microsoft, and it also works on Linux and Mac OS. It includes support for debugging, it has Git integration, syntax highlighting, IntelliSense, and also code completion and refactoring. Now, what the hell is PHP? So PHP is actually an acronym for Hypertext Preprocessor. It is a widely used and open source scripting languages. These scripts are executed on the server. PHP is free to download and use in any of your projects. So what can PHP actually do? It can generate dynamic page content. It can perform CRUD operations or create, read, update, and delete operations. It can collect form data, send and receive cookies, add and modify data in a database or file. It can be used to control user access and also encrypt data. Next, we'll be looking at our first PHP example. So, get ready,